What's going on, traders? Welcome back to Daily Recap. Today was not a good day. Well, not a good start to a trading day. I had a loser right off the bat, and which kind of sucks, but I'm glad it was in the early morning and not like late afternoon. So and the good thing is that if you get a loss in the morning, you can have, pretty much have the whole day to make it back. Unfortunately, I did not make all of it back. I still ended up in the negative, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. I'd rather be down 165 instead of 450, so that's how I see it. But let's go over the chart. So when I came in, the candle looked a little neutral to me, so that told me that we have some kind of range working overnight. Pretty much this is what I saw, and I marked my overnight lows and highs. And real quick, I did, when the price action opened, I saw this little range here, and I was like, okay, it's probably gonna be one of those range days again like yesterday, which I hate. So I was like, all right, maybe I should, in my head, I was like, maybe I should just, take it easy and kind of like let the price action come to you. I did notice a triple test here with the break and new low already in place, so I didn't want to take this just because it's too close to the EMA. But you also get a higher low here as well, but that's again that's just too close. You might not have enough room to get out. It would have worked, but you never know. Next time you take this, and it might not work. So just be aware of that. So basically, my first trade was failed second entry long, new high, first entry long, second entry long failure, and I really liked it at the time because when the candle was forming and it went up, really fast and it instantly went down. So I was like, okay, that's a good sign of rejection. And also I saw this opening price getting rejected pretty much 3 times, so I figured maybe we go back down, test overnight lows again. But what I didn't notice was that all these 3 bars were pretty much inside of this bar, and that's a huge red flag, which I did not notice. And I also did not notice that I don't really have enough room to get out. So which kind of funny, because I always say to myself, make sure you have room to get out. And anyways, it's one of those mornings, so it's unfortunate. And another bad thing about this is that this bar is 16 ticks. That means my stop loss is basically 18 ticks, and that's way too much for me, and I should have known when the candle was forming. And I guess it's just one of those things where I guess just lost my focus for a minute. So, but it is what it is. It's part of the game, and that's you just gotta deal with it and move on. So this was a pretty big loss for me. It's $450. Again, it kind of hurt a little bit. You do get a triple test here, which in this case you do have enough room to get out to the EMA. So, but you gotta be quick just because the price is gapped up. So not sure if you had a limit order, you probably not get filled. But anyways, my second trade of the day is pretty much a straightforward second entry long. You do have a option working up, a break and new high expected. This short-term trend channel has been played out, break new low in place. Decent signal bar, again it's 13 ticks, so it's getting up there. But again, I was expecting the price to test these highs, and then also you can see the overnight highs is acting as a support. So I felt confident in taking this trade. And the bad thing that I did about this was I had my take profit at this level, and I got scared and basically got my scalp, and that's about it really. But then I also noticed a higher low after second entry long, so which is confirming the second entry long. And again, I should have kept my take profit at this level. Again, I was trying to get my money back as soon as possible, and I just scalped out basically. So unlucky, but it is what it is. Just part of the plan, part of the process that I have to learn. And what I should have done, actually, I should have just entered the trade, and I should just left and walk my dogs or something. I don't know, because I was watching it and I started moving it and stuff like that. I should just set it and forget it, but it is what it is. And then my fourth trade of the day is basically this second entry short. Now at the time I did not know, okay, because obviously hindsight, but I figured we had a break, a new high already in place, and I was feeling like the price might come back and trying to retest the EMA and bounce off of the EMA. And I got really lucky. And again, not looking back at it now in hindsight, obviously it's a counter trend trade, but at the time I mean, all I saw was this. I'm like, okay, well, that's second entry short, and it's a solid bar. So I felt like I could have been a solid trade, and it did work out. But again, after I saw this move up, I was like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna call it a day, because this could have easily been a losing trade, and I just didn't want to push it anymore. So I just pretty much took the break, and I did came back, and I was trying to trade my top pick account, and I was really, I think I came back around this time, and basically what I saw is, you know, you have basically 2 legs down, and you get this nice lower high here with the break, new high already in place. I'm not sure why I didn't take it, but again, it's 14 ticks, so it's up there with the you know, with the risk. So, but could have been a nice trade. But pretty much after that, once I saw this, I was done. There's other trades in here that I don't really want to talk about it, but yeah, after this, when I saw this, I pretty much logged off and called it a day. And I came back to do this video, and yeah, I'm not sure what really was going on here. I mean, this is like crazy. I mean, in a nutshell, it is kind of a range day, to be honest with you, but you know, you can just see prices just bouncing up and down. But hey, you know, it is what it is. But tomorrow's a new day, and hopefully tomorrow price action is a little bit better, and hopefully I can make some of this some of the losses back. But that's it for me. Hope you had a good day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks, bye.